Number two, cinema halls will also again start reopening up with 1/3 capacity from Monday onwards. Public parks like Lady Hydra Park, Watts Lake, like Elephant's Fall, this will also be allowed to open from Monday onwards. However, I would like to mention here very, very clearly, these activities will be strictly subjected to the SOPs which is to be issued by the government along with the respective deputy commissioners. If not today, maybe tomorrow. And the important SOP will be only 18 years plus, and not only 18 years plus, those people who already vaccinated.